Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you about reports type, types of reports, its formats and the creation process of reports in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about reports in Salesforce. Reports are tabular format information about something which is meaningful and which is important for the business users. It is a list of records that meet the criteria we define and also gives the answer to the questions. The reports are much more than simple lists. By getting the data we need, we can filter the group from records and also do some math on records. We can also show them graphically in charts. Let's discuss about reports types in Salesforce. Report type is a framework or a template that defines the object and fields available for creating a report. It essentially determines which set of records and fields will be available on this report. Each and every report is based on a specific report type. When we create a report, we first select the report type. Each report type has a primary object and also has one or more related objects, and all these objects are linked together directly or indirectly. Note, once report is created, its report type cannot be changed. Let's move ahead and discuss about the types of reports. There are two types of reports. First one is standard report and the second one is a custom report. Standard report types. The standard report types are involving with the standard object and also with a custom object. It cannot be customized and it involves the standard and custom fields for each object within the report type. The standard report type is automatically created when the object is created. Custom report types. The custom report types are the reporting template to well organize the reporting process. The custom report are created by the administrator or users by managing the custom report type permission. Custom report type is created when the standard report type cannot identify which record will be available on reports. In the custom report types, we can identify the objects which will be available in specific report. Now, discuss the formats of the reports. There are four types of formats. First one is tabular reports, summary reports, metric reports, and the join report. We discuss all these formats one by one. First one is tabular reports. The tabular reports are the simplest form of reports. It shows the data in the table format with columns and rows. It is useful to showing the detailed data in a spreadsheet-like format. Next one is summary reports. Summary reports give a grouped view of data with subtotals. They involve the grouping like by date or by a specific field along with a summarized value. It is helpful for obtaining a summarized view of data, especially when we want to see totals for each grouping. Next one is metric reports. The metrics permit us to group data both by rows and columns. These formats are useful for examine data across two dimensions. It is acceptable for cross-tabular analysis like comparing data across various categories. Next one is joint reports. Joint reports enable us to create a single report that involves multiple blocks of data. Every block acts like a sub-report with its own set of columns and filters. It is useful when we want to display and compare data from multiple report types in a single view. Now move forward and discuss about how to create reports in Salesforce Lightning. So let's jump to our org. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org and here we are learning about how to create reports in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the app launcher. This is my app launcher and under this app launcher we can see that there is a search box. Enter the sales inside the search box and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open and here we can see that lots of tabs are present on the name bar and we want to select the report tab for creating the report. So click on the more drop down arrow And here we can see that the reports tabs are present. So click on this report tab. Our report page is open and our reports are related to business users. Here we want to create the new report. So click on the new report button. Create report dialog box is open. Now choose the report type and here we are choosing the account as a report type. So search the account in the search box and select the account and click on the start report button. And here we want to see how many accounts are registered in Salesforce. That exactly what I want to know. And here we can see the new account report page is open and we can see the account name, type, rating, etc. are present here. Now I want to add the filter. So click on the add filter button and here we are choosing the type. Search the type. Here is the type. Click on that and this filter is equals to and here we are choosing the value as a customer panel and the customer direct and after choosing the values click on the apply button and then refresh it and you can see that after applying the filter the account type is equal to the customer direct and shown under the report page. Here under the show me field it show my account but my account basically means the account owned by me. Click on this show me and here we click on the drop down arrow and we select the all account and here all account basically means no matter who own the account and it show all account and click on apply button. After applying the filter now we want to click on the outline. If we want to show more field click on the fields and here we are selecting the account number. Search the account number. Here is the account number. Click on that and then refresh it. Here you can see that account number is shown and we can also add one more field which is the account ID. This is the account ID. Click on that and then again refresh it and you can see that the account ID is also shown and this is all what we want in this report. Now close the fields. Now we can create a report successfully and click on the run button. This is the run button. Click on that. After running the process, the report will show the data like this. Only 4 records are present here. If we want to save the report, click on the edit button and there is a save button. Click on that and our save report dialog box is open. Now give the report name and here we are entering the report name as Salesforce account and after that give the report unique name which is automatically filled and after that the report description as you want and then select the folder. Here is the folder. Select the folder. Our select dialog box is open. Now determine who will able to run the report or see the report. It is based on the folder. So what we can do, we create a report and we save it in a particular folder. Whoso have access for this particular folder will be run this report. So I want to create a new folder. So we click on the new folder button. Our create folder dialog box is open. Now give the folder label and here we are giving the folder label as a saving account report and then give the unique name to the folder which is automatically set and then click on the save button. Our saving account report folder is created. Now select this folder and then click on the select folder button. After selecting the folder, the saving account report folder is shown under the folder field and then click on the save button. The saving account report is a new folder and who created this? Salesforce administrator. The Salesforce administrator has assessed the report which are there in the saving account record. But if I want to share with another user as well, so what can I do? In that case, I am going to share the saving account record folder with that user. So go to the report again and click on the all folders. The saving account report folder is shown. Here is the folder. Click on the drop down arrow of this saving account report and here is the share option. Click on this option. Now select the user. Here we are selecting Dr. Velda Hagman and then click on the drop down arrow of the access field and here we give the view access only to this user and then click on the share button and here you can see that Dr. Velda Hagman is a viewer only and this user is the manager. This user is me, so I am the manager. So click on done option and the folder is shared to that user that we are choose, and this user is a view user. Now move forward and discuss about how to create reports in Salesforce Classic. So let's jump to the when we log in into the Salesforce account, our Salesforce Lightning version is open and we want to move the Salesforce Classic version. For this, we click on the profile picture and under this profile picture, there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open and under this home page, we can see that lots of tabs are present on the name bar. Click on the drop down arrow and here we can see there is a reports tab present. Click on this tab. Our reports page is open. Our report are related to the business user and here we want to create the new report, so click on the new report button. Now select the report type and here we are selecting the account and contact and then select the accounts. After selecting the account report type, our account report page is open and here we want to see how many accounts are registered in the Salesforce. That exactly what I want to know, and here we can see account name, type, rating, last activity, all are shown here under the report page. Now I want to add the filter. So click on the add and here we choose the ownership inside this field. So select the ownership and which is equal to the private and insert this selected field and then click on the OK button. After applying the filter, we can see that the ownership is equal to private and shown under the report page. Here we can see that there is a show me field and under this field only my account is selected and my account is basically means the account owned by me, and we click on the drop down arrow and select all accounts and here all account basically means no matter who own the account, it show all accounts. If you want to show more fields like account ID, account number, so click on the fields that is present on the left side and here we are selecting the account number. Search the account number here. Where is the account number? This is the account number. Click on that and this is updating and here you can see that the account number is comes up and after that we also add the account ID. Click on this account ID and again updating and here you can see that the account ID fields is come up. Now we create the report successfully and click on the run button. Here is the run report button. Click on that. After running the process, the report will show the data like this. Only 3 reports are present here. If we want to save the report, so then click on the added report and after that here we can see there is a save button present on the left side. Click on the save button and the save report dialog box is open. Now give the report name and here we are giving the report name as Salesforce account ownership and then give the report unique name which is automatically filled and after that giving the report description if you want to give, otherwise leave it as it is and then select the report folder. Click on the drop down arrow and here we are selecting the saving account report which we are previously created and then click on the save button. So the saving account report is a new folder and who created this? Salesforce administrator. The Salesforce administrator has assessed the report which are there in a saving account report. But if we want to export this folder, then click on the drop down arrow of the Salesforce account ownership. Firstly, go to the report again and here we can see all the folders and click on the Salesforce account ownership drop down arrow and here is the export option. Click on this export option, then select the format and here we want to download this file as a CSV. So we selected the CSV folder and then click on the export button and here you can see that our report is downloaded and you can see the CSV format of the report in the Excel sheet. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.